I do most of the programming myself, and it usually means that our machines sometimes stand still waiting for the programming to be made, and that means our investments are not currently making money, and we're trying to explore new tools to make that more efficient. We have been working with GibbsCAM for I think 14 years now, and it's a really good software. It's also very simple to overview. For example, if I get a new employee that hasn't gotten the training yet, getting them to understand the basics of the program is very easy. So I'm very happy with it. We're always able to do the pathways we are trying to make, and still the operators find it very easy to read the programs and understand them. Most of the jobs should be a lot more automated, and I think AI is the way forward. And we have been using Up2Parts as a pilot project to see how far we can go now, but we're confident that this is the way into the future. Up2Parts give us opportunity to upload step files and drawings to make drafts of the programming, and then I can focus on the more difficult operations and optimizations. If we're able to cut down the spikes and increase the efficiency in the tools, it means they will last longer. It also means that the machine will waste less energy making the same parts. And that's where we use VariCut Optimizer. We're able to get around 20-25% on the cycle time reduction. That means the tool will last longer. We're able to make more parts in the same time. This could help us very much in the future. I'm very happy for this opportunity we've had to work with Sandvik. I think if we keep at this pathway of increasing our efficiency, it will be a lot easier for us to stay competitive and to grow. So many things are evolving right now. It's important to stay ahead of the curve. Otherwise, it will be a very long distance to adapt to what's coming.